Though not fatal, the hand, foot, and mouth disease is a formidable illness that spreads pretty quickly, especially to unknowing souls who are not habitually hygienic. The disease is communicated through saliva laden with the virus and could also be transmitted in the air through coughing and sneezing, and also through direct bodily contact with a tainted or contaminated surface. Our Bien Manalo tells us more on the other diseases that could result from hand, foot, and mouth disease.
Nerissa is worried about the various diseases that are currently spreading, especially she has many little grandchildren. That's why Nerissa is always cleaning her surroundings. She was also strictly administered to her grandchildren regarding the cleanliness, especially washing their hands.
Pinasasabihan ko yung mga apo ko na maghugas ng kamay bago kumain, huwag magdadadakot ng mga maruruming bagay, at lagi kong nililinis yung kapaligiran namin para safe kami kasi maraming mga lamok ngayon, maraming sakit na dumarating kaya kailangan talaga kalinisan.
The cases of hand, foot, and mouth disease recorded by the Department of Health hit over 7,000. This is almost 3 times higher than the reported cases on the same date last year, which reached just over 2,000. Over 4,000 of HFMD cases are all children aged 4 and under, while more than 2,000 cases are children aged 5 to 9 years old. Over 50% of HFMD cases come from Region 3, Mimaropa, Metro Manila, and Cordillera Autonomous Region. Hand, foot, and mouth disease is an infectious disease that spreads through the spill of virus, inhabited saliva, sneezing, and the coughing of people with this disease. It can also be acquired when a person touches his or her eyes, nose, and mouth with a hand contaminated with the virus. Although not fatal, hand, foot, and mouth disease can cause more serious complications such as meningitis and encephalitis or inflammation of the brain. Some of the symptoms of hand, foot, and mouth disease are fever, cough, steam from mouth, and blisters on hands, feet, and butt.
Ang mga may sakit, lalo na kapag pinaghihinalaan o kumpirmadong kaso ng HFMD, ay dapat manatili sa bahay at iwasang munang pumasok sa paaralan o trabaho. Manatili muna sa bahay ng 7 hanggang 10 araw o hanggang sa panahong mawala ang lagnat at matuyo ang mga sugat.
The DOH also advises the public to contact the nearest health center for early consultation. Bien Manalo from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.